Well, I was supposed to fly today at all. I got a call at 4 a.m. and they said that they had to revise my schedule. You are tough and lucky, because I got a little cold. I hope you have a good immunity from this contagion.
Number Indian 610, European for taxi, contact with Jakarta Tower 118.75.
Cleared for taxi 118.75, Lima November India 610. Okay. Takeoff complete. Something is happening with the plane. Auto brake disarmed.
Indicated airspeed disagree.
Yeah, I see. Positive rate. Gear up. What's wrong? Maybe we should come back. Lima November India 610. Over terminal is now 127.90. 127.90. Lima November India 610.
Altitude disagree.
Confirmed. Terminal East, Lima November India 610. Took off from runway 25 left.
610, I see on the radar. Continue climb, flight level 270.
Flight level 270, 610. Terminal East, 610. Please tell us the altitude of our plane on your radar.
610, height 900 feet.
900 feet, thanks.
Check the memory item for airspeed unreliable.
What's the intended altitude? I should request to the controller. Yeah, request proceed. Or maybe we can fly to downwind. No, it doesn't need. Request clearance to any holding point. Terminal East 610. Request clearance to any holding point. We can leave less flaps. Yes, I think.
610, what's your problem?
Flaps 1. Confirmed. We have a flight control problem. Team differential. You have control. Stand by.
610, your altitude
Flaps
has
0.
changed from 1700 to 1600. What's your intended altitude?
Should I tell 6,000 feet? Say 5,000. Terminal is
Bank
610.
angle, bank
Intended
angle.
altitude is 5,000 feet.
Okay, 610, climb 5000 and turn left heading 050.
610, 5,000, 050. Okay, flaps 1. 5,000. Terminal East 610. What hour speed do you see?
610, your ground speed is 322 knots.
Memory item, memory item.
Fuel differential already done. Auto brake. Engine start switches off. What's the memory item here? Check. Flight control? Yeah. Flight control low pressure. 9.8. Fuel differential pressure. Oh, which one? No. Airspeed unreliable. Airspeed unreliable. Sorry. Airspeed unreliable. Standby. What is no airspeed? Airspeed.
Six one zero, turn left, heading 350 and maintain an altitude of 5,000 feet.
Heading 350. There is no airspeed unreliable. $10.1. Condition: airspeed or mark indications are suspected to be unreliable. To identify a reliable airspeed indication, if possible, to continue the flight using the flight with unreliable airspeed. Autopilot if engaged disengages already. Auto throttle if engaged disengaged. Flight director switches both off. Set the following gear up: pitch, altitude and thrust. Flaps off 4 degrees and 75% and 1. Yeah. 75%. Yeah. Already now? Yeah. The following are reliable altitude and 1, ground speed or radio altitude. Check. Note: stick shaker, overspeed warning and airspeed low alerts may sound erroneously.
Six one zero, turn right, heading 050 and maintain 5,000 feet.
Turn right, 5,000.
610, turn right,
The
heading
flight path
070
vector
to
and
avoid
pitch
traffic.
altitude indicator may be unreliable. Refer to the flight with unreliable airspeed table.
610, how did you understand?
Go ahead, 610.
610, turn right, heading 090.
Turn right 610. Performance in flight checklist, set the
610,
pitch
start to
altitude
turn in
and
flight
thrust
heading
setting for the current
070.
aircraft. Heading 610. When in trim and stabilized, cross-check the captain, first officer, and standby airspeed indicator. Check. 280, 280. That differs by more than 20 knots or 0.03 Mach from airspeed shown in the table. It should be considered unreliable. Yeah. I will check the performance in flight chapter. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hello. Excuse me, please come to the cockpit.
610, there is an Airbus
Only engineer,
A320
please.
at 10 o'clock, 11
Yes,
nautical
please,
miles,
call
wind
him.
5000 descent, 2000 southeast bound.
610, 320 at 10 o'clock.
Line 610, turn left heading 050 and maintain an altitude of 5000 feet.
Look what happened. Turn left heading 050, 5000, line 610.
Okay.
Okay, we are already gear up 5000. All this. Fire. Aircon, have scheduled descent understood.
Line 610, are you going down? I can see on the screen that you are losing altitude.
We have some problem. We have a flight control problem. We are flying the aircraft manually.
Line 610, maintain heading 050 and contact the arrival control on 125.45.
Heading 050, frequency 125.45, line 610. Arrival controller, line 610, flight is heading 050. We are experiencing a flight control problem.
Line 610, prepare for landing on runway 25 left, flight is heading 070.
Landing on 25 left, heading 070, line 610. There is 1.7. Yeah. So our wipe is 62.3, so for 5000 we have speed. Can you take control? I have control. Arrival controller, Lima November India 650. We would like to take direction to waypoint Izala due to weather.
Line 610, direction to waypoint Gonzala, approved, maintain 5000.
Maintain 5000, Lima November, India 650.
Wow, it's very.
Arrival controller, Lima November, India 650. The altitude of the aircraft could not be determined. All aircraft instruments indicating different altitudes.
Roger, Lima November, India 610, no restriction.
Arrival controller, Lima November, India 610. Request to block altitude 3000 feet above and below for traffic avoidance.
Lima November, India, what's your intended altitude?
5000.
We are flying down.
It's okay.
Lima November, India 5000, approved.
Fly up.
Terrain. Think rate.